a guy? Can we collect us after we're done smiling?
You're silly.
Quack. Quack, 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 quack.
What kind of animal is that?
Chicken?
Are you asking me or telling me?
Chicken.
Chicken, that's right.
Quack, 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 quack.
What animal is that?
Ducky.
That's right.
Moo.
Why are you pushing me?
What kind of animal is that?
Cow.
Why are you pushing me?
Chick, 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 chick.
What kind of animal is that?
Baby chicken.
Oh. Baby chick, huh? Can you do a horse noise? That's pretty good. Can you do a Tyrannosaurus Rex?
Hi.
That's not bad. What does a monkey say? That's pretty good. What does a fox say?
Where's your glasses? Where are they? Where are they? Go get them.
Is that right?
These away in your underwear.
What does the fox say?
What does a fish say?
Odie, what does the fox say? Mama,
That's pretty good.
What am I helping you? Here.